1.2 Androcles and the Lion. 1.2 Androcles and the Lion. Warming up. Chit chat. 1. Have you ever helped anyone? Why? 2. How did you help him, her? 3. Has anyone ever helped you in your need? 4. How did you feel at that time? 5. How did you show your gratitude to him, her? 1. Have you helped anyone? Why? Answer. Yes, I have helped the poor and needy person. 2. How did you help him, her? Answer. Provide some daily needs because they have not enough money. 3. Has anyone ever helped you in your need? Answer. Yes, my friend have helped me in my need. 4. How did you feel that time? Answer. I felt grateful to them. 5. How did you show your gratitude to him, her? Answer. By helping at the time of his trouble. 1. Discuss with your benchmate and write down the names of any 5 stories of bravery that you have read, heard. Also name the brave hero heroine of each story. Name of the story, name of the hero heroine. A. Jungle Book, Mowgli. B. Gulliver's Travels, Gulliver. C. John of Arc, John. Now D and E, you will write in your notebooks your favorite stories and their hero and heroine names. 2. Complete the fact about lines choosing from the alternatives. यहाँ पर 3 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं जिसमें से एक करेक्ट है और उसे हमें खाली जगह पर लिखना है. Number 1, lions are called king of the jungle. 2. Lion belong to the cat family of animals. 3. Lions are carnivorous animals. 4. Male lions have a mane around their neck, but lionesses do not have it. 5. A group of lions is called a pride. 6. Lions attack only when they are hungry. English workshop 1A. Match the phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. 1. Looking out for. C. Trying to search for. 2. Face to face. F. In front of each other. Summon up courage. E. Try to be brave. 4. Range melted. A. Anger reduced. 5. Be moved by. D. Filled with soft feelings. B. Read the following sentences from the story. The word bound carries 3 different meanings in each of the sentences. Put the correct letter A, B, C in the boxes according to the proper meaning. Number 1. They were bound by law to obey their master. Correct option B. Forced to follow. Number 2. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. Correct option C. Tied up. Number 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. Correct option A, rushed forward. C. Now translate each of the three sentences ABC into your medium of instruction. A. वह कानूनी अपने मालिक का आदेश मानने के बंधे हुए थे। बी. दयालु आदमी ने शेर के घायल पंजे को बांध दिया। सी. शेर फिर एंड्रोक्लेस की ओर बढ़ा। 2A. Find from the story the antonyms opposite word of the following. 1. Kind, cruel. 2. Poor, wealthy. 3. Slave, master. 4. High, low. 5. Punishment, reward. 6. Unbound, bound. Number 7. Tender, heartless. 8. Happy, sad. 3. Write the reactions that followed each of the actions given below. A. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. B. The lion looked at Androcles piteously, so he moved very cautiously toward the lion step by step. C. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, so the lion licked his arm. D. A hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena, so he was certain that this was the last day of his life. E. The lion reached Androcles and it began to purr and rub its nose against him. F. The emperor asked Androcles what other reward he would like, so Androcles replied that he wanted the lion to be set free. 4. Write in your own word 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. 1. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. Number 2. Qualities of Androcles. Number 3. Even wild animals can be our friend. 1. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. Answer. In ancient Rome, the king, nobleman, and wealthy person used to keep poor people as their slave. They were compelled to work for their master. The slaves had no freedom and right. They were starved, beaten, and whipped cruelty. They were subjected to barbaric punishment for no fault of theirs. 2. Qualities of Androcles. Answer. Androcles was kind, gentle, and courteous man. Androcles disliked to be a slave. He wanted freedom from his cruel master. Androcles was not a coward but a brave man. He was very compassionate and sensitive. He could not see the lion in pain. He nursed the lion till it could walk, and Androcles was not selfish. So he asked the emperor to set free the lion also. 3. Even wild animal can be our friends. Answer. Wild animal kill the other animals to satisfy their hunger. This doesn't mean that these animals are heartless. If you stay in their company and shower love on them, they need to respond you in the same way. Animal can be very kind, gentle, and loving. They are trustworthy and will sacrifice their life to save the masters.